You walk into your living room after a long day, and the place is a disaster. Cushions thrown everywhere, random stuff on the coffee table, toys on the floor, maybe a sticky spot on the table that nobody cleaned. Now imagine this. Instead of you grabbing a towel and starting the cleanup, a humanoid robot walks in, looks around the room, and starts fixing everything. No instructions, no one controlling it, just the robot. And believe it or not, that exact moment just happened with something called Helix 02. About a month ago, Helix 02 showed up online with a pretty bold claim. Instead of using dozens of different programs to control a robot, they built one single AI system that runs the entire body. Walking, grabbing things, balancing, making decisions, everything. The first test showed the robot cleaning up a messy kitchen, which was already impressive, but now they've pushed it further. This time, they dropped the robot into a living room. And things got really interesting. The robot walks into the room and pauses, not frozen, just looking around, almost like it's trying to understand the space. There's a couch with cushions out of place, stuff scattered across the coffee table, objects lying around the floor, basically the kind of mess most of us see every day. Then the robot starts moving. It walks over to the couch, grabs a cushion, adjusts it carefully, and sets it back neatly. Then it heads to the table and starts clearing items one by one. What makes this moment interesting isn't just the cleaning, it's the way the robot moves. It's walking around furniture, bending down, reaching for objects, carrying things across the room, all in one smooth sequence. Then comes one of the coolest parts of the demo. The robot notices a dirty surface. So what does it do? First, it grabs a spray bottle. It sprays the surface. Then it picks up a towel and starts wiping. Not just randomly, but with controlled motions like someone actually cleaning. And handling the towel is surprisingly tricky. The robot shifts it around, moves it out of the way when needed, and even tosses it over its shoulder so both hands are free for the next task. That kind of movement might look simple, but for robots, it's incredibly complicated. Another moment shows how coordinated the robot really is. It picks up a container using both hands, then starts collecting blocks from a table and placing them inside. Later, it even tucks the container under one arm so it can grab toys faster with both hands. That's the kind of multitasking humans do without thinking. But for robots, it's usually extremely hard. There's also a tiny detail that shows just how precise the robot can be. At one point, it picks up a remote control, but instead of just pressing randomly, the robot rotates the remote in its hand, lines up the buttons, and presses the correct one to turn off the TV. That level of control is something you usually only see in research labs. Another impressive part is how it moves around the room. The robot carefully sidesteps through tight spaces between furniture while still holding objects and continuing the task. It's not stopping and restarting. Walking and working are happening at the same time. But the biggest idea behind Helix 02 isn't just cleaning. The system learned these behaviors simply by training on more data. No special programs for every single action. Just one growing intelligence getting better over time. So we're probably still a few years away from a robot that handles all your chores, but watching Helix 02 tidy up an entire living room makes one thing very clear. Robots are slowly learning how to live and work in the same spaces we do. And if progress keeps moving this fast, the day a robot cleans your house might arrive sooner than anyone expected.